Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. I hope everyone's having fun getting their costumes ready for Halloween. And this video is going to be a bit different because it's just to showcase how some makeup and some accessories can really kick it up a notch in your Halloween costumes. And I do know that not everyone wants to go big with gory and prosthetics and bloody. And I do want my channel to be a little bit something for everyone. And I just want everyone to have fun. So if you'd like to see how I turn myself into a vampire queen, just stay tuned and look at the footage. And of course, this vampire queen comes with glitter blood. Today's tutorial is all about the makeup and the accessories. I am doing a winged eyeshadow and I put my scotch tape down. And I'm going in with a concealer over the eyelid. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And I pack that down with some setting powder. I am using Colourpop's Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette. And I take a fluffy brush and I go up into the brow bone. I notice how I'm holding the brush at the tip and not close to the bristles. And this is going to give you a better blended look. I go through and I place that up under the eyebrow bow and carry it out toward the tape. And going in with a deeper color for that transition shade, I get that packed in from the inner corner of the eye and again out toward the tape that you set down for the eyeshadow wing. And I'm just continuing to carry those colors darker the closer I get toward the eyelid, putting emphasis on the eyeshadow wing on the outside from the outer V toward the center of the lid. Now you can use any eyeshadow color that you like, but do be mindful that red pigments tend to be irritating and not recommended for eye use. Just be sure to do patch tests to make sure you're not allergic. Now going in with the darker color, I pick a shimmer from the Colourpop's Blow and Smoke palette and I get that down up onto the eyelid. Now having all my eyeshadows in place, I remove my tape and I go in with a foundation that's a couple of shades lighter because I thought this would look a little bit more natural than the white cream paints that you get at the store, but that is up to you. Now taking that black eyeshadow, I run that up under the rest of the eye area, going all the way to the inner corner. Now finishing up the eye look, I take a black eyeliner pencil and I get that down into the waterline. And today I'm going to place some gemstones down and I'm using a lash glue to do this. And I do believe Wet n Wild has a line of gemstones that they come out with and they're set out into a pattern and those are really nice to use. I've used those before. But as you can see, I'm taking some small red gemstones and I'm placing those up under the eyeshadow wing just for a little bit more punch. And moving on to the contour, I take one of the lighter, cooler shades and I go through and I contour my face, covering out my cheekbones, placing it up under the chin. And I also go through and carve out the shape I want my nose to be. A smaller nose, a bigger nose. It's all up to you. Contour really does change the shape of a face. Going in with some highlighter, just making all those contour areas pop out a little bit more. And I'm using a light brush, and this comes from the Colourpop line. Nothing too bright because she is a vampire. I'm thinking in my mind, dead skin. So here I am taking some more gemstones and I'm placing those up over the eyebrow. Now you place them wherever you want, make it your look. It is time to place those eyelashes down, and these are a Tinsel eyelash I got from the dollar store. And they tend to have a stiffer band. And what I do is I bend that for a few seconds just to get that little bit more of a natural shape toward the eye. They're a little bit easier to place down. Now I do find that some of these fantasy eyelashes that come out around Halloween are extremely big and you might have to trim those to fit your eye. It is time for the lipstick and I'm using a black lipstick from the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink line. This stuff you're going to be able to eat and drink all night. It is not going anywhere. It does not stain the lips and it smells like cookies. It is time for some more shimmer and shine, adding a highlighter in the areas I want to emphasize and even up over that cupid's bow of the lip and onto the lips. It is time for the Fangs, and I'm using the Scarecrow Vampire line that I picked up at Spirit Halloween. I'm using Polygrip for mine because it does recommend that you do not put these clip-ons over any existing dental work such as braces and crowns. Their website comes with a video tutorial on how to use their kit. This kit comes with materials to mix into a paste with a small container and a spatula. So just follow those instructions to get a better idea about how to apply these. We're almost there. Almost. And finally, I got those suckers on, right? It is time for the hair and for the crown. Now this wig I picked up at Walmart a couple years back. The gloves I have on are lace gloves and they came from Spirit Halloween. This vampire is now a queen with her crown. Moving on to the nails, these are some press-ons. And also for the blood that has glitter, I mixed the NYX body and face glitter, a loose glitter, into my vampire blood. And I get my gel capsules. Also, I got those from Spirit Halloween. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. What are you guys going to be for Halloween? Please put those in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Please recommend some looks that you would like to see. And thanks for stopping by. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.